So in this section, we are going to try one more exercise about array. There are two arrays, for example, like this one. You have array 1 and array 2. Both are numeric array, but they can be of any data type. The exercise is about finding the intersections, that is, all the values which are present in both the arrays. And the second question with this exercise is finding union of two arrays. Now when I say intersection, that means values which are present in both the arrays. So in this case it will be 8 and 2, which is present in both the arrays. So that is the intersection. And if I say union, that means it's about all these elements, that is 1, 3, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9 and 10 of course. But in case of union, it should not repeat the value. That means 8 and 2 should not come multiple times. So let's try to practically implement. We have many ways again to do the same thing, but we are going to try more of the ES6 way, the shortest way to find the intersection and the union as well. We will begin with the intersection. So here we already have these two arrays, that is array 1 and array 2. Now I'm going to declare another array which is going to have the intersection values. The important point here is I'm going to use array1 dot filter method. Inside the filter, you already know that there are two parameters. One is the value and the second is index number. I'm going to take the value here. And here I just want to return the value only if that value exists in the array 2. So I can use the includes method and I can say v. This means each value is passed to this v, and that we are checking with array 2. That is, if that value, this value which is of array 1 existing in array 2, then it should be returned, otherwise it should not be returned. So now all values of array 1 if exist in array 2, then only it will be part of array intersection. The only thing you will have to do now is you just display the array intersection to see whether we have the intersection values or not. So if I click here, we have 8 and 2. These two values are also present in array 2. Alright, so this is a very easier way to deal with intersection. Now let's talk about union. As I mentioned in the beginning, that when you find union, that means it should find all the values. So actually you can say that the array union should have all the values. Let me just change this to arr union. Now it should actually have all the values. That means I can use the spread operator. I can say dot 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 arr1, that is array 1, and array 2 as well. If you do this, then it actually joins both the arrays. But the problem will be that it's going to join all the elements, where 8, 2, 2, 8 is actually a repeat value. This is something we do not want. When you say union, it does include all the values, but any value which is existing in first and second array should appear only once. Now you can use the logic to check if it exists, then you push it to the array. So you have various ways to do that. But I did promise you that we are going to see the shortest way and with the ES6 way. So I'm going to use the set, that is the set collection here, because set is something which keeps unique values only. So here I'm going to say new. Let me just use the spread operator here first. I'll say new. You can certainly check the set and map category for getting more information about this functionality. So I'm going to say new set. And inside the set, I'm going to pass these arrays. So set will make sure that it creates a unique value collection. These two arrays are passed inside the set, and then I'm going to close it. Let's run this now. You already have 12 elements here. I'll keep it as it is, not clearing this, and running it again. There you are. Now you see there are only 10 elements. So this is how you can get the union of two arrays.